In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with monday.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and now type in monday.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Monday. Now in order to log in to your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. Then you will be asked to enter your work email address. You can simply type in your email address and click on the next button, or you can sign in using your Google account if this is what you used to create your account in the first place. Proceed with whichever method applies to you, and you might be asked to enter your password when you click on the next button. Just type in your password and click on the login button, and you will be logged into your account with monday.com. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Monday. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.